The Federal Reserve System, our nation's central bank, comprises 12 independent regional reserve banks across the country and the Board of Governors in Washington, D.C. Each reserve bank has its own board of directors and president. The board provides important information on regional business and credit conditions in support of monetary policymaking, and it oversees management of the reserve bank. The president is the chief executive officer and is responsible for all of the bank's activities, including monetary policy, bank supervision, economic research, payment services, distribution of coin and currency to financial institutions, and more. What happens when a reserve bank needs a new president? The selection process is laid out in federal law rooted in the Federal Reserve Act of 1913. Each reserve bank has a 9-member board with 3 kinds of directors, Class A, B, and C. The Board of Directors forms a search committee composed of its eligible Class B and Class C directors. These directors represent the public and are not affiliated with regulated banks or financial institutions. Since Class A directors are bankers, they are not permitted to take part in the selection of a reserve bank's president, nor are they allowed to sit on the search committee. Typically, the search committee works with an outside search firm to identify a diverse national pool of candidates with an appropriate blend of leadership, knowledge, and experience. The committee also gathers public input and candidate nominations during the search. Qualified candidates might come from higher education, nonprofits, financial institutions, or other businesses, or from within the Federal Reserve System itself. One trait they all share is a desire to serve the public. After gathering stakeholder input, interviewing candidates, and evaluating their qualifications, the search committee forwards the top candidates to the Board of Governors in Washington for review. That includes one-on-one meetings with each governor. Then, the Reserve Bank's eligible Class B and C directors, the non-bank directors, with sign-off from the Board of Governors, select the new Reserve Bank president. The new president then joins their Federal Reserve System colleagues in promoting price stability and maximum employment, serving the American people as part of our nation's central bank.